I'm wanted by the love place for prideful crimes of the heart. It's a sordid situation. Where should I start? My baby wasn't honest to me. I wasn't honest with myself. Now she's 2 steps to the dozen. I've locked my heart up on a shelf. My baby, she made me cry. She clipped her wings, she won't fly. Now the truth drips from my prideful heart. The love police are under my window, hanging for me in an old Crown Vic. It's got scruffy black wall tires. It's colored midnight shadow green. A greasy spotlight in a pigtail antenna. Knows every place my heart has been, yeah. They got stale donuts and coffee on the dashboard. They're wearing Hawaiian shirts and fishing caps. One's always charting my crimes. The other guy's always taking a nap. I want to run away. Guilty feet, they never stray. Now the truth drips again from my prideful heart. I'm afraid that I'm guilty, guilty as charged. Well, the love police came and they put me away, and they threw away the key. A kind of rehab for the heartless, a mirrored cell just for me. You see, there's no absolution when guilt and justice get the slip. Just a love police under your window, hanging for